of tension, missiles and global anxiety, the guns have fallen silent, at least for now. A 12-day war between Israel and Iran, which drew in the United States and saw American bombs fall on Iranian nuclear sites, has ended in a ceasefire brokered by President Donald Trump. Now, while the world breathes a cautious sigh of relief, attention now turns to Gaza, where the war continues and the human toll keeps rising. So what does this new ceasefire mean for the region, and could it help bring an end to the war in Gaza? Well, first let's talk about the Iran-Israel situation. On 24 June, President Donald Trump announced that Israel and Iran had agreed to a ceasefire after 12 days of warfare. The conflict, which had escalated dangerously, involved US military strikes on Iranian nuclear sites, increasing fears of a wider regional war. The ceasefire is tenuous but holding, with world leaders urging that this momentum be used to push for a Gaza truce as well. German Chancellor Friedrich Merz also said that the moment has come for a ceasefire in Gaza. Now, while missiles flew between Israel and Iran, Gaza remained under heavy fire. Since Israel began bombing Iran on June 13, over 860 people have been killed in Gaza. The Gaza Health Ministry reports that 56,077 people have died in the Strip once the war began in October 2023. The conflict was triggered by a Hamas surprise attack on Israel that killed 1,200 people and resulted in 251 hostages being taken. Humanitarian conditions are worsening. The UN warns of famine, and over 500 people have reportedly been killed while seeking aid supplies. With the Israel-Iran ceasefire now in place, there is renewed pressure on leaders to end the Gaza war too. Meanwhile, just a day after the Iran-Israel truce, Trump told reporters that Gaza is very close and I think we are going to have some good news. Trump credited the success in Iran as a reason for hope in Gaza. As per reports, Trump's special envoy Steve Witkoff is in touch with negotiators and pushing for a Gaza truce. Although previous attempts at a ceasefire were not successful, mediation between the two sides is still ongoing. Qatar and Egypt are in constant contact with both sides. Hamas has acknowledged increased contact, although no new proposal has yet been received. Therefore, while guns have gone quiet between Israel and Iran, the battle for Gaza's peace is still raging politically and militarily. And so all eyes are now on Trump's next diplomatic move, ongoing mediator talks, and if Hamas and Israel can finally agree on a truce. What are your views on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.